Okay, so we're turning off to Sam's Way so we can go around Mountain Lagoon. Very picturesque. Should we chase the bull? This is Sam's Way still. Tunnel of trees. So this is the GPS coordinates where we've turned off onto the T3 trail at Mountain Lagoon. So this is ours?
Yeah, go left.
Yeah. Don't turn into this guy's wilderness cabins, which looks very nice. Wilderness cabins look great. So we're at the junction of Gosper's Ridge Fire Trail and the T3 Tootie Creek track. But that is service track there, or fire trail. It's got a lock gate anyway, so this has got a gate but it's open. There's a left turn to Cabbage Tree Creek Fire Trail, but that's closed anyway. It's got a gate on it. So we're going straight.
Well, it started with the header, it's only probably 6 to 8 inches high, but it's still flowing pretty good.
The path's not very well defined, so you have to keep an eye on where you are. But great views. So we're going left, we've come off T3 trail, we're going back onto Sam's Way. Then at the end of Sam's Way we're going to go left onto Mountain Lagoon Road or trail. I think it might become a trail eventually. And then when we get to Conleroy Road we're going to go right towards Wheeny Creek. finished on Mountain Lagoon track, and we're going to go right on Comleroy, which is here. Oh, he stopped for us. That's really nice. Thank you.
Run circles around a while with stabilisation on the video. That's what I'm saying.
That's really good. Yeah, that's enough, Phil.
Well, this must be Wollemi Creek or whatever it is. Come in then. Oh, yeah, there was the...
Go out of that, the ladder trail. So this is ladder trail, just coming out of Wheeny Creek. Must be the Colo River down there, yeah. Beautiful.